Hello, this is Farron with Step Above Marketing, and I hope everyone is having a great day over there at Nature's by Design. I love the business name, by the way. I'm just going to go over three of the main things that we focus on via Google and websites to help a business grow. All right, I'm going to go over citations, I'm going to go over backlinks, and I'm going to go over content. Okay, which is what we focus on to help someone rank their business on Google. All right, so when a customer, of course, goes to search for services, they're going to go to Google. They type in a landscaping in Las Vegas area, and what pops up, of course, is we have that top map pack. So we all know that when we're searching for something in Google, people tend to pick something from out of this top map pack. So statistics shows that 30% of people choose their service from here, and the other 70% they like to go in the organic search results. We call these organic. These are websites that are just organically popping up and ranked on Google. Okay, so most of the customers, they stay on this first page, and they stay at the top. So that's where most businesses need to be, is on the first page and at the top, because no one's going around down here, and they usually do not go to second page, third page, fourth page. They hardly ever go to those pages. So this is where we want to be. Okay. So with citations, is it's how many times your business is listed over the internet. So it's having your business name, your business phone number, your business address listed on the internet. Okay. So with you guys here, when someone types in your business name, you want it to just show up all here. So I want to congratulate you guys that because you do have some citations where you have your businesses listed on other platforms like Yelp, Facebook, Nextdoor, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, and there's a whole bunch of more directories. There's a whole bunch of more websites where you can list your business, and that helps with your credibility with Google. So I always like to say at least 30, 20 citations a month to keep building up your reputation is what we do. So when people come to second, third page, all of that, you have so many citations that your business shows up here across so many different websites. You'll have that Nature by Design showing up, and that's just proof that you're listed so many times over the internet, and it helps push up this Google profile in the map pack, and it helps push up your website. Okay, so that's what a citation is: having your business listed on multiple directories across the internet, and that helps your business ranking and your website. Okay, so next we're going to go over content. I didn't see a website for you guys yet. Not sure if you have one, and I just didn't see it, but I didn't see a website for you guys. So what I'm going to do is just use a competitor who shows up here. Um, they show up on the first page. Here they are. So I'm just going to use their website for an example to talk about content and backlinks. Okay. So Google, they like content. They like a lot of wording. They like a lot of titles because they want to make sure that they're bringing the customer the best result. So if someone goes on there and they're looking for weed control, they're looking for landscaping, they're looking for sod installation, things like that. You want to make sure that you have your website riddled with all of those main keywords so people in your area can find you at the top of the list. Okay. So having at least like 1,500 words of content is what Google likes for your main page. So we kind of go off of the competition. If your competition happen to have 2,000 words on their main page, well then guess what? We'll do 2,500 words because we want to take it an extra step above so we can be above them and for it to be hard for them to catch up. So just having this main page riddled with enough keywords, enough content and information about your services, and there's a keyword right there: Las Vegas landscapers. That is something that exact word that a customer would put in. So you want to make sure that your headings, not just your wording, your paragraphs, but also your headings need to have like the keyword, because that lets Google and the robots that these computers use, the artificial intelligence. Those robots are scanning the internet all day long looking for keywords, looking for information, and so they can index it. So when a customer comes, bam, they know the best website that has that information. Okay, so you just want to make sure you're using the right keywords and that you have enough words. Okay, and these guys they could be beat out because they have some wording, but they don't have that much. So just having the right wording, having the right content, and then building everything up over a matter of time helps rank you guys. Okay, so here's some more keywords. Las Vegas yard maintenance. That's something someone would put in. So they have this stuff titled pretty good. Okay, then we have some wording, some content here, which is what we like. And for like the side pages, we usually like to do at least 500 words. But if we come in here and our competition have 500 words, well, guess what? We're gonna up the ante again. But our base amount of content is 500 words, at least 500 words on your side pages. So that you see how they have everything categorized, organized, and they have wording on each service, and they're utilizing important keywords in their headings. This is crucial. And they have everything, pretty much categorized the way it should be. So this is a good example website. When you have a website optimized like this and organized like this, Google loves it. It's so easy and it's structured so good for their robots, and bloop, next thing you know, you're at the top of the search results. Okay, so that's how you want to kind of structure. That's how a structured website, and that's another key ingredient to growing online. All right, so now we're going to go over, last but not least, we're going to go over backlinks, okay? So what this is right here, this is a software called Ahrefs that I use that gives me the back end information on a website. Lets me know everything about the traffic, backlinks, keywords. So if you can see like this website, it gets 2.5 thousand visitors estimated a month. So they got a lot of good traffic going on here. Now as far as their backlinks, they have over 2,000 backlinks. Okay, let's just take a quick look at them. A backlink is a link on someone else's website that points back to your website. And the reason why you want to have backlinks is because it gives Google information about your business, and it lets Google know that you're a credible business. It lets Google know that you're legit, and it helps you with your reputation, basically giving you clout and good a good review across with Google. So they're like, hey, this website here has 2,000 links pointing to it from all over the internet. They must be a good website for landscaping. We're going to help rank them and help build their profile up, and that's what happens when you have backlinks. So if you look at some of these are just websites. Zillan Designs, myperfectplants.com, webtoknow.com. These are all websites across the internet that somewhere on them, on this page, they have a link that can be clicked on, and then it's going to take them to cacti landscape. Okay, so that's how it helps. It helps them get more customers. It helps Google to know, hey, this is a credible website and a good business. Okay, so we went over citations, having your business listed multiple times over the internet. We went over content, having a good website that has all the keywords and information you need. Then we went over backlinks, helping build up your presence and reputation by utilizing other websites that are already established. And another thing, the better the website is established, the more power it gives you. So it's important to have good websites. Like say you have like a credible news website pointing back to you, or like if Amazon was to point back to you, just websites that have the better the website, the more authority that the website has. And you can kind of look over here, and this tells us the authority. The higher this number is over here, the better the backlink. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of how we, gauge someone's presence and how we rank people up, and what it takes. I hope you take some of these tips and implement them. If not, we are always here to help, and we will be happy to help you guys rank and grow your business. Also, we love referrals. If you know other small businesses that could use some digital marketing help, we also do advertisement. We run Facebook ads, Google ads, social media, all of that as well. Okay, so thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I hope this finds you while you're well, and enjoy your weekend. Take care. Bye bye.